Another very powerful dimensioning tool, if you have a grid of several holes, is called Ordinate dimensioning. So for ease of use, I like to use either horizontal or vertical instead of this one, so it doesn't have to guess which style I'm trying to go for. So let's click horizontal. We can then click and drag out our 0 reference. That's where everything's going to be based off of. And then each time we click, we create a new dimension. So we just go and, if we just go and click all of our features that we want to dimension, we can see that we have just a grid of numbers. And if if you have a lot of holes, instead of having dimension lines everywhere, this can really clean up your drawing. And then we could select vertical ordinate dimensioning. We could pull over another 0 and do the same, where you just start pulling your different geometry that you're trying to dimension to, and it just creates a row of numbers without dimension lines. This is called ordinate dimensioning.